This is NBA basketball right here on 2K Sports. Joined by Coach Stan Van Gundy and Grant Hill. This is Brian Anderson. Allie LaForce is our reporter. And it's Cleveland to start out. And it's Allen who slams it home.
Getting established positioning inside. Once Allen has this, he is a threat to score.
The kick to Durant. Shot clock at 6. Uncovered. And he hits the jumper.
Add KD's mid-range J to the game's unblockable shots alongside the sky hook and the step-back three.
And Mitchell with the slam.
Just such a terrific dunker.
Man, born to fly, that's for sure. Van Vliet outside. Pass to Durant. And here's Thompson. Back to Durant. The basket's good. Off the assist from Thompson.
You gotta push Durant farther away than this, or he will make you pay.
On the wing, Mitchell. All alone. And it's Cleveland with another.
I love this approach. Getting him involved early, and it's already paying off.
Yeah, well, his offensive contributions are going to be very important in this game. So it's good they've already got him in a rhythm.
And just a great effort from Harden on the break. I mean, he can score any way he wants.
Oh, and there's the whistle on the shot. So 2 free throws for him coming up.
Hey, if you can't block it, sending him to the line can be the next best thing.
So after making the first, he goes 1 for 2.
And the big X factor Van Vliet brings to the team is leadership. He's very talented at setting a good tone out on the floor and organizing his guys.
And so now a timeout called by Kenny Atkinson. He's going to take a minute to regroup with his players. And about 2 minutes into the first quarter here. Now here's Harden. And the rebound goes to the Rockets. Durant looking around. Lays it up and banks it in. Durant's got 6.
Attacking in the painted area. Clearly that was their game plan coming in.
And so now a timeout called by Kenny Atkinson. Coach probably just checking to make sure everybody's on the same page here. First quarter of ball, almost 2.5 minutes in. Now Harden. And then Harden with the jam.
It's incredible. Harden's ability to read the floor and find the weakness.
Pass to Durant. And Durant with the big finish.
All he needed was a little separation. So effective.
Boy, cleared the path, put him in position for a prime-time dunk.
Well, give credit to the screener there. That's how you help free up your teammates.
It is so difficult to guard Harden on the drive. Tremendous finishing at the hoop, but he's also elite at drawing fouls.
And looks like an illegal pick was set. That gets the ref's attention.
Well, the league has put an emphasis to crack down on illegal screens.
Yeah, and yet, we still see it a lot. It's a tough thing to police.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. I think right now he might be looking at some adjustments. The Cavaliers leading. Beyond the arc. Drains the triple. Harden's got 9 points.
A lights-out three-point shooter. Harden loves to take and make them.
They grab their own miss. Oh, rejected by Allen. And they're dialed in offensively.
Sure are. Staying in attack mode and at the same time playing under control.
Outside Durant. Again gets it to go. He can't miss. 5 for 5.
Getting enough shots in close to play inside out.
Harden with it. Guarded by Smith. Harden can't hit. And so Thompson will bring it up for the Rockets. Trailing by 2. Outside Durant. Inside. Şengün, no good. On the wing, Mitchell. Throws it down, and the official calls a foul. It may be a three-point play. It's going to be on Jabari Smith. Cleveland shooting their first free throw this game.
First team foul. At the line for Cleveland.
Mitchell, no good on the free throw.
You know, I've got 2 words to describe Donovan Mitchell. Dynamic scorer. You put this man in just about any situation, and he'll find a shot no matter what.
And here's Strus outside. And that's not going to go. James Harden, he's been the guy making things happen for the Cavaliers. Hunting for opportunities.
13.
If you're just joining us, we played through 1 quarter in this one. All right, guys, let's get your take on the scoring breakdown for the Cavaliers.
Well, I like how they're going right at the defense, creating high-quality looks with that penetration.
Thompson scanning the floor. Oh, and the jam by Thompson.
That's unreal. I mean, Thompson, that boy's going to hit his head on the rim one day. Oh.
Pass to Tyson. Now here's Schroeder. 4-3. Count it. 1 for 1 to start the game.
You can't give a shooter that kind of look on the perimeter. I don't care who it is.
Thompson outside. And count the basket. He was fouled, and he's going to the line for 1 more. Houston shooting their 3rd free throw shot of the game.
And what I like about Thompson, along with the high-level athleticism, he has a high-level feel for the game.
Merrill outside. To the inside. Allen. And it's Allen who slams it home.
His hang time on the rim puts a sweet cherry on top, BA.
It's a close game, and those displays of explosiveness can jumpstart a team. The kick to Durant. Puts up a three. Oh, Durant, an absolute sniper.
Yeah, the single-minded focus of Durant on offense, it's all about getting buckets, no distractions.
Uses the glass to finish the layup. Schroeder's got 5 now.
And defensively, that's just not going to cut it.
Durant with it. He's picked up by Schroeder. And Durant gets it to go.
Well, what a half he's had. He has completely warped the shape of this game with his hot shooting.
Pass to Wade. Outside Strus. Allen a screen to the paint. Ooh, he took a hard foul on the shot. So he'll head to the line to shoot a pair. It goes on Kevin Durant.
Well, a big who plays like a big. Allen's going to pound it inside, and you have to match his intensity in there.
Outside Durant. All right, for those just joining us, we're almost 2.5 minutes into the second.
These calls can be so difficult for officials to make.
Outside Durant. Clock at 6. Screen by Capella. Durant, so effective inside.
Watch how Durant disrupts the defense with the pick and roll, creating an opening for himself.
On the wing, Mitchell. Pass to Strus.
2 minutes remaining in the first half.
Left side, Mitchell. Oh, sweet move. Mitchell at close range. Effortless.
And standing just 6'1", amazing how effective Mitchell is attacking the paint.
It's Thompson, high post. Back to Durant. Thompson outside. Oh, and the jam by Thompson.
That is Thompson's game, rocking the rim and giving his team some energy.
Harden into the lane. Pass to Wade. Fires from deep. Capella with a rebound.
He didn't make them pay for that weak defense, but they just can't rely on him to miss those kind of shots.
Outside Durant. And it's Houston scoring again.
And you know, for a near 7-footer, Durant has a very compact release. Just one reason he's so consistent.
And they call an illegal screen here.
One of the trickier plays to judge, but it would be hard to argue against the call.
Yeah, and that's maybe something that should be called more. We see a lot of moving screens in today's NBA.
Durant for 3. Sinks the tray. Now it's a 4-point Houston lead.
On the catch and shoot, Durant is so effective. You have to run him off his shot.
Down low to end the run. And it's Allen who slams it home.
Not the tallest center in the league. He more than makes up for it with those crazy hops.
And that's a foul called on Donovan Mitchell. That's his first foul of the game. Pass to Smith. Now here's Thompson. Defended by Harden. Neeson, good.
Nice find by Thompson. Now, good to see him sharing the ball like this.
To the middle. Here's Allen. Kevin Durant has been leading the charge for Houston, providing the scoring punch right now, putting up a cool 22. We'll be right back after this word. And after a fairly even first couple of quarters, this second half could turn out to be a great one, as both teams trying to gain an edge. Houston leading by 4. Outside Eason. Pass to Durant. Durant on the move. And Durant with the big finish.
You know, the defense had no answer for Durant's quickness. He drives right in and hammers it down.
Here's Harden. Banked it in off the glass. Harden's got 11 points.
The defense couldn't collapse quickly enough.
Outside Durant. And he drives in. And it's slammed in by Durant.
I mean, that's just elite versatility. How many ways can Durant beat you? Insane handles for someone who's 7 feet.
Pass to Allen. Out to Mobley. On the wing, Harden. Just 5 on the clock. Over Thompson. It's hauled in by Houston. On the wing, Durant. 26 points for him. What a throwdown from KD.
Turning up the intensity. Durant saw his chance and does not hold back.
Mitchell into the lane. Smith with the rebound. And so Thompson will bring it up for the Rockets. Outside Durant. On the wing, Thompson. Back to Durant. Inside. And the slam dunk by Thompson.
Love the control there from Thompson. I mean, showing poise on the pick and roll.
And so now a timeout called by Kenny Atkinson. A moment to rest and confer on the game plan. We're just about 2 minutes into the final half of play now. On the wing, Mitchell. Three-pointer. Rockets with a rebound. Van Vliet scanning the floor. Şengün. Good. And Van Vliet gets the assist. And now a 12-point Houston lead. Harden drives in. And Harden with the slam.
And you can see Harden is feeling it, which is why he's being so aggressive on offense.
Here's Van Vliet. Strus grabs the miss. Ahead. Here's Mobley for the finish. And Mobley throws it down.
Just great work cashing in on the fast break.
Well, converting on those transition opportunities is just so important.
And whenever Adams is aggressive on offense, it helps big time, especially when he's dunking it hard inside.
Mitchell with room to shoot. Adams grabs the miss. Houston leading by 10. To the inside. Here's Şengün. Nice D from Nance. And the Cavaliers with possession here. Pass to Strus. Nance the screen. The three is up. Strus' shot is off.
And he probably thought he was going to bury that one.
And Şengün throw it down.
Yeah, great finish by Şengün. I love when he goes up with power.
From deep, Mobley. And another miss by Cleveland. And the Rockets with possession here. Their defense has only allowed 6 points in the second half. Here's Van Vliet. And the rebound goes to the Cavaliers. Mitchell with the ball. He's picked up by Adams. Here's Harden. That one's good. Mitchell making the play. 15 points for James Harden.
Yeah, getting it done inside. Harden proves he's more than just a perimeter player.
Back to Adams. Mobley grabs the board. Left side Mitchell. Outside Harden. Over Van Vliet. And so it's the Houston Rockets earning this break in the action, up 10. Great shot selection right now. With 3 quarters behind us, let's see what this 4th period holds in store. The Cavaliers trail by 10. Harden into the lane. And then Harden with the jam.
And so often you see Harden flip the ball up there off the bounce, so it's cool to see him elevate and hammer it through.
Pass to Thompson. Back to Durant. Drops in the 3. Durant's got 31 points.
And he's not taking it easy on them at all. I mean, we all know he's going to keep pouring it on.
And defensively, that kind of effort is just not going to cut it.
Here's Okogie. Houston working the ball around. 6 to shoot. Houston needs to get off a shot. Sengun, no good. And Cleveland has possession. 11-point game. Pass to Wade. It's Merrill on the wing. Offline with a 3. And here's Durant. He'll bring it up for the Rockets. To the paint.
Sengun has such a great feel for the game. He's savvy and he knows how to get a call.
And a chance to catch up on some numbers here. The scoring breakdown for Houston.
Well, I love how they're attacking the rim. That will usually force defenses to collapse and open up a lot of outside shots.
And Kenny Atkinson has called a timeout. No doubt he's going to utilize the opportunity to make sure they're all on the same page here. And keeping us updated from the sideline, Allie LaForce.
Well, over the break, I did listen in on Kenny Atkinson's huddle. He questioned his team's effort, asking them, should I put in the bench right now? Wake up, guys. We can still win this game, but I need you all to play like you believe you can. Not exactly a fun huddle to listen in on, guys.
Okay, good stuff. Thank you, Allie.
And when I think of Mitchell, I think of relentless. He's so active and drives with such purpose.
Pass to Okogie. From behind the arc. And Durant hits from deep. Durant's got 6 in the quarter.
Absolutely ruthless. He's not about to start showing mercy now.
Yeah, he's leaving no doubt in this one. Doing everything he can to slam the door on a comeback.
Mitchell. The 3 is off. And so Durant will bring it up for the Rockets. This is the most they've led, 13 points. From deep. It's good from beyond the arc.
Coming down the stretch, they've leaned on the perimeter game.
Well, if you're looking to get points in a hurry as the game clock's running down, that's certainly the way to do it.
Left side Mitchell. And it's out of bounds to Cleveland. Here's Mitchell. 6 on the shot clock. Jacks up a 3. Rebounded by Smith. The Rockets on offense. They're on a 10-2 run here. Up top, Durant. He launches. Oh, no good. The Cavaliers trail by 16. Oh, the stuff.
Sees his man, threads the pass inside. Excellent teamwork.
Durant 19-footer is good.
And the distance between the point totals for these teams tells the whole story. Just a fantastic effort, and you have to give it up for the Rockets.
A pair of tremendous rebounding teams.
And these guys played a little harder tonight, and that was the edge they needed.
And what a huge performance it was for Kevin Durant.
So impressed with his performance today. He was confident, he was composed, and the defense just didn't know how to adjust.
A different look for Cleveland. Here's Harden. Stolen by Thompson. Right side Durant. Beyond the arc. Harden with a rebound. And Cleveland has possession. They trail by 16. Shoots a three. Booyah! He sinks the triple. There's 45 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Durant fires. Oh, he comes right back with a three of his own.
Yeah, they blocked out the noise, blocked out the distractions, kept on grinding, and this is their reward.
It is always a special feeling winning on the road. The degree of difficulty adding to that sense of accomplishment.
From 18 feet, and count it.
This is what winning is all about, playing your best when it matters most.
Yeah, they've got clutch guys on this team, and they never let up.
Harden outside. Takes a three. It's cleared away by Thompson. And so Houston takes this one by a big margin. Exceptional effort on the road. They were ready and they were focused.
Focused indeed. I mean, it takes a strong mental approach to block out the